Hey there everyone, it's your coach Nadia here and I'm back bringing you another workout. Today we're going to focus on those abs, toning that belly, and again it's only 5 minutes long. We start in a plank. Don't be shocked if I modify today. Elbows under your shoulders. Let's start with the knees down for the plank. Firm your tummy. Make sure to keep your back nice and long to get it started. And that's the key here, to make it right. Good. If you want more, then tuck your toes under, lift your knees off the mat. We got that full front plank. Good. Keep your tummy nice and firm. And then make sure you're breathing. If you're like me and you haven't been working out as much in quarantine, then you're probably shaking a little bit right now. Only 15 seconds left if you want a little movement forward and back. Push into those toes and push into your heels too. I'm slipping off my mat. Finish it up in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's lower the knees. Lift up to your hand. Walk one leg back and one hand up. Good. Reach your hand overhead. Drive the elbow in towards your knee and then reach it out. Good. Elbow and knee. Then reach it out. You got it. Good. If you want a little bit more, I think you know what to do. You're going to lift that bottom knee off the floor for a full side plank. This is where all that yoga comes in handy here. Good. Nice and slow. Draw that elbow in and reach. We've only got another 10 seconds here. And then we start threading that needle. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's put that bottom knee down, elbow to the ground. I want you to reach your top arm up and then drop your elbow to the floor. Reach it high. Good. Drop it down. Reach it up. You can reach your fingertips underneath your shoulder. That's why it's called thread the needle. And of course, if you want more, I think you know what to do. You lift that bottom knee off the floor. My shoulder's shaking. My rib cage feels the burn. You got it. I'm gonna lower my knee because I've been teaching classes for the last few days, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I feel a little sore. Last 7 seconds. You got this. And reach. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to that front plank. Remember, you always have options. Elbows underneath your shoulders. You can keep your knees on the ground, or you can lift your knees up if you want more. Try that shifting forward and back for a little extra. Good. Keep it going. I'm going to lower my knees here because today the girl needs a break. Who's doing the progression, y'all? I know I can't hear you, but I can hear you. Another 12 seconds. Breathe. And if you had to take a little break, don't worry about it. It's about what you can do, not what you can't. 5 seconds. You got it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Second side on that side plank. I'm going to turn and face you. One leg back, one arm up. Remember, draw the elbow and knee together and reach. You got it. Elbow and knee together, then reach. Who's doing that progression? All you got to do is lift that bottom leg up. Good. You can do it. Whichever version you're doing right now is just fine for you. Just make sure you're gripping the floor. Give me that solid extension with your side body. Another 12 seconds. Come on. Let's see if you can get a little smile going. That crazy smile when you know it hurts too much and you don't know if you can laugh or cry. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower that bottom forearm down. We thread the needle. Here we go. Tap that elbow down. Straight into the progression. If you're lifting that bottom knee off the floor, you got this. If you're feeling wobbly, then lower your knee. I'd rather have you stay safe than do too much. A little goes a long way, and you're already here today. You deserve kudos for that. Keep it going. Just a few more solid reps. You got this. I can't see my timer. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. You did great. Give yourself kudos and make sure to take a few minutes to stretch it out after this video. If you like this workout, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so you receive notifications every time a new video comes out. I'll see you in the next one.